Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter inside your Hyundai vehicle. Now this process shouldn't take any more than 10 minutes. It can be done anywhere, even in the middle of a parking lot, just like this. First, make sure you have the correct size and type of filter for your vehicle. Next, go ahead and lower the glove box and empty it, as we'll need access behind it. This is a great opportunity to clean and organize any stuff that may be left inside. Once empty, find the two knobs on either side of the glove box. While holding the glove box up slightly, remove the knobs by twisting about 1/4 of a turn and pulling them inwards. Set aside in a safe spot to make sure you don't lose them. Lower the glove box fully until it stops, and you should be able to see a thin plastic cover inside. Remove the cover by depressing the tabs on either side, and this is where you'll remove the air filter. Before removing the filter, make sure to note the flow direction by the arrow located on the filter itself. The new filter will need to be installed in the same orientation. Once noted, remove the filter and check for any debris inside the filter holder. If excess debris is found, make sure to clean the insides before installing the new filter. Occasionally, debris may drop down into the fan below and may cause excessive noise. If this is the case, this may require removing the fan assembly to clean the debris from inside. Once everything is clean, insert the new filter in the same orientation as it was removed. Replace the cover by snapping it back into place. Then lift the glove box slightly above its normal resting position. Insert the two knobs with a 1/4 twist, making sure they lock into place. Since this filters the air inside your cabin, it's important to check this very often. Generally, this should be replaced every 15,000 miles or so, unless your vehicle is driven in excessively dirty environments, which would reduce the life of the filter substantially. These filters can also cause reduced airflow and odors inside the cabin if they are not replaced often enough. So that's the process to install or replace a cabin air filter inside of your Hyundai vehicle, or many makes and models as well. If you have any questions or comments on this process, make sure to drop them down in the comment section below and I'll definitely get back to you. If you guys enjoyed this video or found it helpful, make sure to hit that like button. It greatly helps out these videos and the channel. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your bell notifications, and check out some of the other content available. I have a bunch of other automotive related how-to content, as well as walk around 2023 model year changes, just a bunch of automotive related stuff. So make sure to check that out if you're interested. And as you can see, this process is extremely simple, so there's really no excuse to not replacing your cabin air filter. Most of the parts from the auto store, online, on Amazon, or other websites are really going to run between 10 to 20 bucks for the cabin air filter itself. So again, this is a cheap DIY process that you can do to ensure you're breathing healthy and filtered air inside of your cabin and don't have any unpleasant odors or anything like that. So once again, hopefully you enjoyed this video, and as always, hope to see you guys in the next one.